Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Workers with Zapier for AI enrichment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare Workers with Zapier for AI enrichment, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the Workers section in your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Create a Worker to start a new project. In the code editor, you'll need to write your JavaScript function. This function will process incoming requests and handle your AI enrichment logic. Make sure to test your function locally using the provided testing tools. Once you're satisfied with the function, click Save and Deploy to make it live. Copy the URL of your deployed worker for use in Zapier. Next, log into your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to create a new workflow. Set the trigger app according to your needs. Select the appropriate event that will initiate the workflow. Connect your trigger app to your Zapier account. Follow the prompts to configure the trigger settings. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Next, add an action step by searching for Webhooks by Zapier. Choose the Custom Request option. In the Method field, select Post. In the URL field, paste the Cloudflare Workers URL you copied earlier. Set the data type to JSON. In the Data field, input the necessary parameters you want to send to your Cloudflare worker. Ensure you include any required headers for the request. If necessary, add authentication to your request. Test the action step to verify it's connecting properly to your Cloudflare worker. If the test is successful, save the Zap. Finally, give your Zap a meaningful name to identify it later. Your connection between Cloudflare Workers and Zapier for AI enrichment is now complete. You can monitor and fine-tune the workflow as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.